primarily the future architects, they need to be geared up with if you're talking about local market, उसके local bylaws होते हैं हर जगह के, उनके बारे में किसी को कुछ नहीं पता है. Okay, material and उसकी जो procurement है from execution, उसकी details के बारे में भी architects don't know. Okay, so we need to focus on that primarily. Secondly, if you look at new projects coming up, yes, you don't see many green projects coming up in this part of the country, actually the world and the country, this part of the area, you don't see much green work coming up. We need to actually educate ourselves and our students, and the first and foremost the client. And the client, I don't mean private clients. We need to go upscale, government level पे इसको आप highlight करें, and the government should put in regulations in which they need to actually enforce कि certain things, these things have to be followed, and इनको implement करना, the government should take this up. It's a lovely idea, and I would it's a welcome change, because you see, I graduated early 2000s mein, and I've never come and seen such a small house, cute house, got everything that you need to know related to material, organic, and इतनी अच्छी बातें वो बता रहे हैं, ठीक है, मतलब keeping things simple and at the same time delivering the message completely. That is actually what's important.